Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add sound effects in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is here is like me, so just follow what I'm gonna do. So from here you'll just have to go to audio, and then you'll have to go to your audio clips. So I have 3 right here that I have selected. Let's just delete the rest right there. So here's my example. So here you go to audio, and then you go to pitch, locate your pitch. From there, all you have to do to adjust this is actually just go around and mess around with semitones and cents. So for example, we have this like -5 and 45 for cents. It gives us a deep robotic voice. So here's a sample of what it's gonna sound like.
Fun thing to be on a sinking ship. Often everything happens so fast that
So there you go. So next here we have your robotic sounds. So here in your robotic sounds, all you have to do is go to delay, drag it over to your clip, so like this, and then all you have to do is adjust your delay effects right here. So all you have to do is mess around with output. So let's go with dry and wet right here, and let's input around 80, so just there 80, and then feedback, so you can adjust it something like that, and delay time. So here just adjust your delay time, and there you go. So just exit it right here, and then once you play it,
Isn't just about ego sinking. It's way worse than that.
so there you go, you have this robotic like effect when you have to play the music or your sound effect. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.